Hello and welcome back to Officina Virtuale. Let's continue our series, our Pulley, and today we're going to be making this clip here, okay? So let's start in mechanical design, part design. We can call this part as a clip and let's click on OK. We can select our YZ plane, and on this plane we can sketch a centered rectangle like this, and we can fix this length here, let's say 45, and we can fix this length 34. Okay, and now let's sketch our second rectangle. We can use a centered rectangle, but this time we want a different centered point. We can fix this distance here, let's say 6 millimeter. We can fix this distance, let's say 4 millimeter. We want coincidence between this point and our axis, so coincidence, okay. And now we can fix this distance. We can say coincidence between these two different elements, and okay. And now we can select our quick trim with double click. We can click 2 times to obtain our element, our clip, exit workbench. And now with our part, we can say 10 millimeter with mirror extend, preview, and OK. Now, selecting the surface here, we want to realize here a hole, so let's click on hole, and let's say as a diameter 10.5 millimeter, as extension to the next, and as position we can select this segment, this second segment, and our point, and as condition we can use equidistant point, and let's click on OK. Now we can select this, and then this, and we can click on equidistant point, and let's click on OK. Exit workbench, preview, and OK. Now let's click on the surface here, and we want to realize a hole here, so let's click on a hole. Let's say it's a diameter 8.2 millimeter up to the last, and we can fix the position. Let's select this and this and this, and we can use as a condition equidistant point, and let's click on OK, and we can fix this distance here. Selecting the point and this segment here, we can say 10 millimeter. OK. Exit workbench, preview, and OK. Now let's click on edge filling, and we can use this 5 millimeter radius, and we can select this edge here and this edge here, and let's click on preview and OK. Now we can select our plane, our system, and we can hide and show these 3 different planes, and we can add material. As always, we will use a Bordeaux red, selecting our clip, our part body, and let's click on apply and OK. And now we can save our file. Clicking on file, we can save this as our clip and save. I've already created this file, and yes. As always, if you like this content, please consider to subscribe, share and so on. Please visit our shop, link in the description below, and see you soon.